Hi everyone, my name is Gülnaz. Today I am going to talk about how does extensive reading influence second language acquisition. In the first paragraph, read should be reading and some parts can be made smoother. For example, absorb new words can be acquire new words and explain and improve must be explains and improves. For the second paragraph, issue is subject-verb agreement. Help should be helps. And instead of saying words often help learners remember their meanings. If we say frequently encountering words helps learners remember their meanings will be better. And also I did mistake here when I write a strong. The third paragraph issue is make should be makes and more easier is incorrect. We can't use double comparative here. That's why it must be easier. And here I said this improve vocabulary understanding and gain fluency. Issue is here subject-verb agreement. Improve and gain should be in the same form. For example, this improves vocabulary and understanding and helps learners gain fluency. And the last paragraph, I said extensive reading helps learners to improve understanding, learn new words, and to be more fluent in language. It makes more enjoyable and effective way. In here, issues, it would be better if an adjective comes after more. I mean, extensive reading supports learners in improving comprehension, expanding vocabulary, and becoming, we must say, more fluent. It will be right in the language. And also, instead of it makes more enjoyable and effective way, if you say it provides enjoyable and effective way to learn will be better. In here, instead of the more learners read, the more confidence they have, we must say the more learners read, the more confident they become. It must be like that. And also the other issues is leads to improve is incorrect. Should be leads to improved or leads to improvement in. And I use leads to improved here because it's more suitable for this sentence.